Okay, in English, when you talk about where someone's from, there are lots of different ways that we ask. Let's just throw out some ideas in English how we ask questions related to that. Where are you from? Okay, where are you from? Related sentences. Where do you live? Good one.
Where were you born?
Okay. Oh, you live. Where were you born? Other ones?
Where is he? School / just asking people
Where is your... I'm going to fill one in and just kind of, because I know where we're going with the end of the lesson. So I'm going to say, where's your home? Good. Okay. Any other ones? What state do you live in? Good one. And I heard someone say country, so let's just do like what country, what state, what other thing could we put in there? What's that? Province, city, yeah, and so on and so forth. Any other ones?
Do you live in Rosemount?
Okay, you could ask a yes or no question. Do you live in some place? That's a question. Any other ones?
What's your address?
What's your address? Good one. Any other ones? That's a pretty good list. Okay. You can see that there are a lot of variety of sentences you can ask about where someone lives. Some of them might be really broad, like where are you from? That could mean almost anything. Like what country, like what nationality you are, like where did you grow up? Where are you from is kind of a broad question. And then you could have really specific questions, like what's your address? Okay? If they say what's your address, there's only one right answer to that. It's your address. Whereas if you ask a question like, where do you live, you could answer many different ways. You could say, I live in America. You could say, I live in Minnesota. I live in Rosemount. I live in a house. Okay? So there are lots of different ways to answer that question. That's a little more broad. Okay? Just the same in Chinese, when you ask questions about these where you live, where you're from, that kind of thing, there are lots of different questions. Okay? We know some of them already, but we're going to add a few more. Okay? So as we work through Encounter 3, we're going to listen to some of the sentences, and I want you to take notice of the different types of question they ask. Okay? So